I am back at the Novotel Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport. I was here just last weekend making a full hotel review for you, but I thought I'll make another video. This time I'm only going to show you the room though, because I have a different room type this time. For everything else you want to know about the hotel, go see my other video, which I will link right here for you. Now this is room 5330. This is a junior suite. Definitely more space than what I had last time in my executive room. The hotel surprised us again with a welcome amenity as well as a handwritten note. Thank you very much. These are the snacks which I enjoyed so much last time. But this time they upped the game and they also provided us with mango sticky rice. Right here by the entrance you will find the tea and coffee as well as the coffee machine. The mini bar is very well stocked. They have a lot of stuff in there. Plenty of alcohol, and the fridge is also very well stocked. This time we really have a decent sized TV, and look at this floor space in this suite. I like this work desk, and I also really appreciate the fact that we have a sofa in this suite. It is always very nice to be welcomed back at a hotel, and the Novotel did not disappoint. I have every reason to believe that this bed is as comfortable as the bed we had last time. Great soft pillows. Wow, what a nice bed. We checked in at about 8 p.m. so I cannot show you the outside, but the swimming pool is right here outside these windows. Now unfortunately this suite has one of the issues that bothered me from our previous room, and that is the fact that there are not many wall sockets in this suite, and there are no wall sockets next to the bed where you can comfortably or conveniently charge your telephones. This suite does have a wall socket right in the corner, but that's the closest you're going to have to the bed. Then as you go to the bathroom, there's a bit of a walk-in wardrobe. It is quite dark in here. Let me turn off my light. See, wardrobe space over here, of course, gowns and slippers inside there, as well as the in-room safe. And the bathroom is pretty much the same as the previous bathroom that we had, except that this one actually has a door on the toilet, so you can stand in the shower and see the toilet through the glass doors. Also we have a bathroom scale, which we didn't have last time. Thank you.
Please enjoy.
I'm gonna enjoy that. Thank you so much. Kopkun krap. And I thought that was it, but the staff just came to the door and delivered our cake. We used our all-accor complimentary cake voucher, and this is what they brought us. So usually when you use your all-accor cake voucher, then you need to notify the hotel 3 days in advance. For me, they allowed it to be done pretty much last minute, so thank you very much, Novotel. I appreciate that. The cake is beautiful. Complimentary cake that looks this good.